let me be clear. If Mr. Tripp resides with the mother, then he better go home and tell her that she better answer Mr. Hill's phone call. She better respond to his text, and she better produce my witness, because failure to do so is going to cause me to show cause her, and I'm going to have her arrested. Listen to me clearly and carefully. I'm going to have her arrested, and I'm talking about the mother of the child. Whoever has care, custody, and control over the child, they had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. They had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. No one is above the law. A lot of times, you guys are very hard on these judges in a lot of these cases, whether it's a sovereign citizen case, whether it's a non-sovereign citizen case. You guys are constantly looking for a judge with a backbone, a judge that's willing to stand up and say what has to be said, no nonsense, not playing games, off the rip. Well, guess what? We got one of those judges for you on today. So I know you guys gonna be happy with this, because a lot of times I see in the comments, you guys feel like these judges are just too soft on these defendants. Well, we got a judge today that is not playing out of the state of Michigan. And listen, I'm going to let you guys see for yourself. So let's roll the footage.
All right, I'm ready on Shabazz. No, I'm sorry, Tripp. I'll do Tripp first, because did you tell me Tripp was ready earlier?
Yes, sure.
I'm ready on Tripp. And what are we doing on Watson Wilson? Am I coming down for a trial?
We have a resolution, Your Honor, PTR. We're in receipt of what we want.
Okay, this is case number 244438701. The People versus Christopher. Might be Lorenzo is cut off on the docket. Tripp, defendant, is charged with child abuse, 4th degree. Today is the date set for final pretrial conference appearances, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Hill on behalf of the people.
Here, Mr. Tripp will continue. Dennis Stevenson on behalf of Christopher Tripp. Mr. Tripp, please say your first, middle, and last names.
Christopher Lorenzo Tripp.
All right, Ms. Stevenson, how are you proceeding? Because you was getting ready to tell us.
Right. Mr. Tripp is going to continue his plea of not guilty, but I would ask for sidebar with the court and the people.
Right now?
If I'm
This might help.
So that means you all want me to come downstairs because Mr. Hill is not on this thing?
But he and Ms. Coleman did come in here or something.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. We're gonna go into the room right now.
All right, come into the room.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for your patience.
Then I guess we need to go to breakout. Wouldn't it be funny if we just started talking right here? Join me in breakout room number 1. All right, back on the record with the People versus Christopher Tripp.
No, she was here. Oh, she's being. Oh, I got
Man, I'm only gonna let you talk to him for about another minute.
Okay, Your Honor, we were having, thank you very much for that, Grace. Trying to just figure out how Mr. Tripp can help the people to have a conversation with the complaining witness's mother.
Oh, well, I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna have a conversation with him. If she don't answer the phone the next time, if she doesn't respond to that text the next time, I'm gonna send the police out there. I'm gonna send the police to the child's school. And then we're going to take care, custody, and control over the child. And then they'll have to get the child from protective services. So let me be clear. Let me be clear out of my mouth. Let me be clear. If Mr. Tripp resides with the mother, then he better go home and tell her that she better answer Mr. Hill's phone call. She better respond to his text, and she better produce my witness, because failure to do so is going to cause me to show cause her, and I'm going to have her arrested. Listen to me clearly and carefully. I'm going to have her arrested, and I'm talking about the mother of the child. Whoever has care, custody, and control over the child, they had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. They had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. Stop talking. Stop talking.
What did I tell you guys? If you know anything about Judge Bryant, she does not play around, and we see that she is super duper fired up about the mother bringing in this child who seems to be a witness in some type of case. They're not really giving a lot of details here in this proceeding, but the judge has threatened to send the police to her house, the police to the child's school, to take the child out of school, bring the child to protective services, and just make them come and get the child from there. Like, she's basically saying, whatever it takes, you are going to bring this witness, you're going to produce this witness, or else somebody is going to jail. If not, all of you guys are going to jail. And if you know anything about Judge Bryant, she is definitely not selling wolf tickets. Everything she is saying right now, she absolutely means it.
Whoever has care, custody, and control of the minor witness had better produce the witness to Mr. Hill. Failure to do so is going to result in me contacting protective services, in me issuing an arrest warrant for interference with this criminal prosecution. It is going to result in charges for witness tampering. Listen to me carefully and clear. I'm not playing. Now, the case can be resolved, and I will entertain pretrial resolutions, which will include in-person classes. But what I will not do is allow some person to bully this court system. It's never going to happen. The bullying of this court system, it's never going to happen. So whoever has the child, I know the baby got a cell phone. It's 2025. But what I also know is that she's in school. She's in school. Either she being homeschooled, and that address has to be registered with the state, or she's in a physical school. And she's going to talk to Mr. Hill. The witness is going to talk to Mr. Hill. And if the mother has custody, they're going to produce the child. If Mr. Tripp has custody, he's going to produce the child. Whoever fails or refuses to produce the child, I'm going to have those charges issued against them. And we're going to have a warrant for their arrest. All right. Now, any further facilitation, that's y'all business. If Mr. Hill comes back here and tell me that they still not answering his calls, he can't find his witness, this minor witness, it's going to be somebody is going to have to deal with that, and they're going to have to deal with me. Anything else before I get a date?
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing by the people further.
So for the date, Your Honor, in that we would have to be able to arrange the in-person classes.
Sound like the whole family needs some classes, but I can't make the other people go to class. Does Mr. Tripp work?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Oh, well, then he could go to the classes. But I don't know where the in-person classes are. You know, I'd be thinking Mr. Rice can do anything. I feel like he has all the classes, but those may not be free, so I do understand that. I'm not
Okay.
opposed to it. Maybe you need to get a referral from probation,
Okay,
but, yeah. And I am live streaming right now. So if you want to go back and play this for her, you can go back and play this for her. If you don't have if somebody don't have they don't want to say it with as much fervor as I'm saying it, the video is gonna be there. You just show her this is what the judge said. And I mean it from the complete bottom of my heart. I mean it. I mean it. I mean it because I feel like she's trying to bully the system and trying to whatever, and I'm not going to have it.
As we can see, Judge Bryant is staying the course, and it seems like the longer she talks, the angrier she gets, and it seems like the more she is up in the ante. Now she's talking about possibly hitting folks with witness tampering charges. She's adamant about locking whoever this young lady up is, the child's mother. She is not playing around. You hear her tell Mr. Tripp that listen, if you don't have the backbone to say to her what I'm saying to you the way I'm saying it to you, then you need to take this video, which will be on YouTube, show it to her to let her know that I am not playing any games, that I absolutely mean business.
I'm not going to have it. Okay. So let's do this. And I want at least 6 classes in order for me to accept the pretrial resolution. What I'm saying is, Tripp, you can't listen to her, talk to her, and listen to me at the same time.
I just explained to her, I have seizures and right now I feel like I'm having a panic right now. I have medical issues for it.
Now, you're not gonna make me put you in the Wayne County Jail and mark your file medical.
No,
Okay, well, take a deep breath. We're gonna take a deep breath. If you need some water, they can give you some water. But let me say this to you, and you can take a deep breath. And if you need some water, they can give you some water, because court is stressful. And if the stress is going to trigger whatever you're having, then we're gonna need to get you some medical attention. All right. I'm going to set it for at least 6 weeks, 8 weeks out, because I want 6 classes in order for me to entertain the pretrial resolution.
okay.
So I could put it October 29th, but I won't. I will put it. Oh, I can't put it. Oh, I could put it. I think I could put it. Let me see what time I'm flying. Might leave. I could put it November let me see. That might not work. That's 12/25. That means I could put it November the 3rd. Yeah, I'll put it November the 3rd. For final pretrial conference.
thank you.
And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my trial docket as well, November 3rd. And so then I'm going to put it on the trial docket for December 2nd. So let's put November 3rd at 9:10. And then I'm going to put it for a jury trial December 2nd. And know that it is first in priority. That's why I put it on the 2nd to make sure. And that's at 9:30. So if the matter doesn't resolve, oh, I keep looking, this is Tripp. And this is MFD. And that, all right. And then I won't have to lock nobody up while they wait in order to get the witness for the trial.
Do that. You gotta do that.
Anything further on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
On behalf of the defense?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we're all set then. Everyone have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Man, come on, guys. What did I say about Judge Bryant? Judge Bryant is cold, man. When I say cold, I mean cold as ice. My man basically tried to tell her, listen, I have a medical condition and it feels like it's hitting me right now. And for her to say to him, you don't want to make me lock you up. And then basically, mark your file as medical. And you hear him immediately say, nah, I don't want that at all. I kind of feel like he immediately started to feel better because she basically was telling him, you have a panic attack if you want to hear, or act like you haven't one. And who knows, maybe he really was having a panic attack. We don't want to play like he didn't or laugh like he wasn't, because we truly don't know. But if he was playing games, she was definitely going to call his bluff. And for her to go on and say, listen, take a deep breath, you need some water, whatever have you, so on and so forth, then that's what you better do. But if not, I will lock you up and mark your file as medical, send you to the Wayne County Jail. Man, she is not having it. She wants these programs done. Hopefully we can follow up on this case to see if the child was produced, to see if these programs that she is demanding gets done. But I told you guys that today you were going to get exactly what it was that you were looking for. And that is a no nonsense judge that is out to prove to whoever is in her courtroom that no one is above the law.